What's the deal, gang? What is the deal, everybody? Luck in here. We might have positions here shortly. Like right now. Just took a position here at 26.36 flat. And 26.36.9 for a possible pineapple if we come up that high. Well, if we come up another 5 pips. Sorry, I just saw this as I was turning on the computer. I slept through my alarm. I wake up. I was like, oh shit, it's already 8:15. I just woke up like 10 minutes ago. So I rushed downstairs. I was like, oh shit, we're driving. Might have positions here soon. All right. I'm closing right half here at 11. If I can. Yeah, just closed half 11. I'm gonna close full right here. So 15 pips right there. So that's 26 pips right there. W. Fucking W. Have a good night, everybody. I'm going back to sleep. Do we call it? Do we call it? Made 21 pips on the dot. 21. That was 26. 21 on the dot. $21 points. Nice. No, now it's right back to where it was. $21 on the dot. What's this next range down? I don't know. I don't care. I'm gonna wait for hourly closure, 4-hour closure. I'm about to just call it a stream. I'm so tired. I was sleeping 10 minutes ago. 15 minutes ago, I was sleeping. I didn't even start Zoom. I'm sorry, gang. Let me update the record, and I'll start it soon. Win number 365. Got a year's worth of wins. Got a win for every day of the year. 365. All right, so how's Wix 12 feeling? She's all scraped up. It's all good though. think opening 2 micros with a 5K account is okay? Yeah. What about Zoom? I'm setting it up right now. Hold on. All right, Zoom link is up. Lock in here, gang. Might have more positions here. Taking a sell right here, right where we are. 33.7. You still can't find it? Give me a second. I'll find it. Oh, came out a bit worse. I like how they're spread on buys and sells. Yeah, if we get up to 35.3 here, I'll take another sell. Any giveaway? Yeah, I have giveaways. I just don't have entries. We didn't do it. I didn't collect any entries this week for some reason. Zoom door. I got you. $35.45. Gotcha. Taking another sell right here. Just took a sell. It's around 35.2, 35.3 areas. Spread on sells here too. Interesting. So I got 4 positions running. The average entry for them is 2634.52. So 34.52 right here is the average entry for them. Maybe yogurt. Oh, bring it to me. I'll get it to you. I'll give it to you. Bring it to me, babe. What happened? You couldn't open it, or what?
I can open it.
Do it on the table. Do it on the table. I'll do this for you.
No, I want it to go down low.
Okay.
I want it to go down low.
This one doesn't have a thing, you see.
You broke it off.
I ripped it off by mistake, yeah. Sorry.
Now we can
Now we can't
get it off.
get it off. It's alright, we'll do it.
I want to do it by myself. I want to do it
Here.
by myself.
Careful, just do it at the table, okay? This is garbage. Thank you. Can you explain the leg candle? That's what the 15 right now is, the leg candle. 40 seconds here for this 15 to close. I'm gonna take a sell right where we are. Got an entry here at 35 flat. It's 36, but there's spread on sells. It's kind of strange. No spread on sells in Forex. Spread on sells here. If I just took another entry right at the top of that wick. So the 15 closed leg candle, maybe a little doji. When that happens, when we close like this, I usually block that candle out and go based on the previous candle and the previous candle with range all the way down to here. I'm looking for a full closure at around 34 areas. We can get down there. If we come up here, my next entry around 37.8, 37.9. What do we know about leg candles, right? We need to come back and fill that long wick down. We don't need to, but usually we will. 11 minutes for this 1 hour. It's also a 4-hour candle on spot gold, which looks like a much weaker candle on spot gold. Yeah, 37.5, 37.8 here for another entry. So if it breaks its own high, I'll take another sell. All right, taking a sell right there, right as we broke our own high. Last 15 closed as a leg candle, so you would expect this 15 to come down and fill some of it, and then this 15 doesn't really have a bottom wick. We have a 4-point bottom wick, 4 pip bottom wick. We have a heavily bearish 1 hour candle and 9 minutes to go in it. Yeah, once this candle breaks its own low, I'll start looking to manage the trade. Seven minutes here for the 1 hour to close. I'm going to see a rebreak of the current candle low. We rebreak the low here. There we go. Oh, no, not closing yet. I was about to close. I saw 25 pips. Closing right there. 33 pips. W. Just closed 33 pips. Amazing. Incredible. Over 50 pips for the session. We're about half hour in. Why is nobody else here? Why is there only 400 of us? W. 33 pips. Spam some dubs, drop some likes, sub to the channel, turn on your notifications so you know when I'm on. Go follow the IG. The least you can do is get me to 100k subs. The least you can do here is get me to 100k subs. I told you, once we re-break the current candle low, I'll start managing risk. We re-broke it, 33 pips. Fuck vacations. Word, we grind every day. The last one was a fucking sniper entry, that last one. I don't know how we're not at 100k subs. I really don't know. Why did you take the sells? Because price made a move already? Well, I guess it didn't really make a move that we needed, right? Because there's the beginning of the move, there's the middle of the move, there's the end of the move. And if you notice, most of my trades will be towards the end of the move. Why? Because I wait for the market to do its thing and move, and then I hop on. I really don't decide buy or sell at a support or a resistance. So a lot of the times, you'll see my trade be... Wait, Where's my annotations? Right. I've talked about this before. A lot of times you'll see my trade just be this part, or just be this part, right? Or you had that push down, it would just be this part, right? Like, my trades are typically towards closer to the end of the move because I've already seen the market give direction. And once I've seen the market give direction, then I hop on. So we need volume, we need direction, right? And we need candle closures, or we need the candles to print in a certain way, and that's what happened. We got volume, we got direction with these closures down here, and we need the candles to print properly, and they did. So win number 366. So if it was a leap year, or is it a leap year? We got to win for every single day of the year on a leap year. Yeah, and right back it comes up. So let's get rid of this. 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 Let's update our record to 366 wins. Alright, records updated. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Now it formed that bottom wick. Now it could do whatever. You have an hourly closure here. This is going to make a bottom wick as well. You have a leg candle on the 30, just like you did on the 15. You might get another sell here. What I will look for, 26.38. We get up to 26.38. I'll look for sells. It might. The thing is with futures, the wicks don't tend to be that big. Yeah, 37, 38 areas in about 90 seconds here. Also depends where we close, where the candle closes here. Because we close right out of support. It's going to be a little bit of waiting. $27 minutes on stream, up 50 plus pips, yes. Oh, Squid Game started yesterday, you're right. Well, that's because you don't have a flashy life. That's why it's not 100K. We're here to grind. What are you talking about? Oh, okay. All right. You're talking about why we don't have 100K subs. Because I don't have a flashy life. Flashy life, flashy wife. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not big on attention outside of here. Like I'm a hard face to forget, so people always pay attention to me. They always remember me wherever I go. I never remember anybody. But people always remember me everywhere I go. But I'm not that big on attention. Like, I'm not that big on people recognizing me in the street and like, hey, that's... I probably drove by you and you didn't know. The only time you'll know that I'm driving by is if you live in a really rich neighborhood and you hear some really loud hood rat music in the middle of the evening and you can't do shit about it because I live in that rich ass neighborhood too. So all you gotta do is just shut your mouth and take it. I'll let you in on a secret. Most successful Forex traders don't live a crazy flashy life. That's just the Instagram gurus. Yeah, people don't drive Lambos and Phantoms like on the regular, like it's normal. And outside of that, like even people that are well off, like my neighborhood has plenty of well off people like that can easily go do that. They just don't. Yeah, I got a couple of neighbors. I got a neighbor with a Phantom. I got a neighbor with a McLaren, right? But for the most part, people, and even those are hidden. Those come out like once a month or so. Like for the most part, people like, you know, get their Lexus, get their Honda, and just like it's traders driving Lambos is an Instagram thing. It's not a real thing. It's a brand building thing. Most people don't do that shit. There comes a certain point in life where you're just over those things. You're just like, you're over it. Like that's not where the pleasure is, because you realize how fragile and how short life is, that those aren't the things that bring pleasure. Those are the things that keep you on the hamster wheel, not off of it. Because most people for people, when they get a nice car or like when they get something really expensive, it becomes their identity, right? It becomes a huge part of their identity. And like it's like, oh, you know, which Tom, which James, oh, which Jason, like, oh, the one with the Lambo, you know? And it becomes like a part of you. And then what happens, like, right, when that's how you start to identify yourself, so, and it becomes part of you. So what happens when the Lambo breaks? Are you broken? Right? And you're not, but people will associate like that, right? Oh yeah, we do. Sorry. Yeah, I don't have anything here. There's a no bottom wick closure on that 15. We opened up here, not much of a top wick. I guess you can expect just this kind of top wick, right? Very minor. Like a XAU USD, you're expecting it here, 35. This one, the very first resistance. Straight down. What level is possible reversal? Man, if I knew where the market reverses, I would not be fucking sitting here. Matter of fact, you would not be sitting there. None of us would be sitting here if we knew all that shit. We'd be in business together. We're reversing the shit out the market every day. Buy limits everywhere. Where? At every reverse area. Blacked out Tahoe undercover from south of Boca speed checking on 90. Yo, have you bumped into the Mustang they got? Yo, so they got a fucking a white Mustang GT. I guess they repoed it because now there's two now. I just keep seeing the same Mustang GT, and that bitch is crazy. It was a woman highway patrol, and she pulls up. There was a yellow Mustang just driving next to me, and she pulled up, and she going brrr, brrr, brrr. And the dude looked at her, and he took off, and she took off, and they start racing. I'm like, he's fucked. Because I saw her right as she passed me behind doing all that noise. I saw her inside the car. It was a fucking police officer. And he took off, and she took off right with him. And little do you know, 3 exits later, he's over there like, and she's over there like, eh. Entrapment? She didn't say a word to him. All she did was rev her engine. It's not entrapment. She was just driving. Your yesterday video is not available? What do you mean? Wolf of Wall Street, Steve Madden? Steve Madden, you mean? The shoe guy? The shoe guy? I know Steve Madden. I met him. Hold on, let me check. Video unavailable. It's available for me. I see it right here. No, it's there. Yeah, it's there. Yeah, I met Steve Madden at my mechanics. My mechanic is good friends with Steve Madden. He does his cars, all of his cars. And when I was there, that's how he came up to me. He's like, yeah, you know that guy? I was like, you know, it just seems like a regular old man. He was like, that's Steve Madden. He's been doing his cars for like 20 years. The dude was over there with his daughter. They brought in the Bentley. Kind of like a nonchalant conversation. Live trading with a winner every day. I'm so happy. Now go sub to the channel. We're trying to get 100k subs. We've been at 26.5 for a week. Let's get to 26.6. Why don't you bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing on high time? Like, those aren't concepts I use. I don't really care if a candle is bigger than another candle. Sent you the Psycho tune, a couple other sound bites. Through where? YouTube, Discord, IG. I haven't even looked at my phone today. I don't know what's going on. Oh, email? All right, yeah, I'll check. I just checked my email. I didn't see anything. Who's drawing on my screen? Who was that? Was that Jay? Usually it says who drew it. Like when you draw something, right by your drawing, it says the name. I don't know why I didn't say anything there. Oh, it did? I didn't see it. You got 94 pips. W. Need to go for all you traders. A good New Year's Eve. See you in 2025. So the only days, chat, the only days in question, I'm going to try to run the Sunday Asian session for everyone in the Signal channel. But those are the only days in question. The 29, 30, 31. I'm not sure if I'll be here, but I really want to run the Sunday session for the Signal channel on the 29th. So I'm not sure if this is the last session of the year public or not. We might be here 30th or the 31st. I'm just not sure if I'll still be in town. Stream Asian on YouTube? Oh no, only for the Signal channel. We do a private Asian session on Sundays. So every weekly market open. Why can't we set alerts for you on YouTube when you go live? You should be able to. You should be able to turn on your notifications for this channel. Discord is free. The signals are paid. Chat, give me 1 second. 15's closing here. Five's closing decently bullish. There's a chance that the next 5 comes up as well for a bullish drive, and I want to make sure we continue down here on the 30. Let's see how we open up. We might have some entries here really soon. It might come down really quickly, short top wick. Because that's what I've noticed on futures. It doesn't really do a massive pullback on a top wick. Usually if it's pulling back heavy, that means it's driving that way. All right, 15 just closed. And if we can tap 26.31.8 here, not a bad idea. But it would happen really quickly. Come on. Oof. Do we get there? 31.4. Right here, 32 flat. Yeah, if it flips right now, we're gonna wait on the 30. If it comes back up before flipping and rebreaks the high, we'll have an entry here at 32 flat. Did it get to 31.8? It got really close to 31.78, right? Oh, never flipped. Never flipped. Interesting. It's coming down, huh? Wanted a bit higher. And it's come down for this flip twice already. It hasn't flipped, it's coming up. Yeah, chat, we're gonna wait on the 30. I think. What's the fuck? That will be a 4-hour close, 31.8 here. I really want an entry here. This 15 could come down right from here. But it doesn't look right on every time frame. This is the level to take entries. Like if we're gonna take it, it's right here. Yeah, I'm most likely gonna wait for this 30. I don't like exactly how it's printing on the 30. Even though once the 30 closes, it's NYSE open, and then the next hourly candle is a 4-hour closure here on this chart. Hold on a second, chat. So we can be looking for a position here off this top wick off the 15, but the way, if you see the way the 5 closed, you see we were coming down, we've had no bullish closures. Once the 5 closed bullish, even over here too, the next few 5 candles started riding up. So I want to see if the next few 5 candles will ride up here as well. Once we get bearish 5, you can pretty much guarantee yourself that you're going to get a few more bearish candles to come down to finish out the range. Right, that's what we know about gold. It's very technical, right? So creates a low, once it finds a resistance, so retest that lows, right? Fill the range. Creates highs and lows, retests highs and lows, or it creates a range and it fills the range. But I don't know if there's another bullish 5 closure. Yeah, you might see a top wick and a heavy drive down, but I personally, with 5 more, oh, it's 10 more minutes left to the 30. Yeah, I would rather wait for the 30, get a 30 closure, and once the 30 closes, I don't mind getting an entry somewhere up here at 35 areas to come down. So confusing as you have different future prices than my MT5 screen? Impossible. Unless your MT5 screen is not on futures. If you're on a different pair, then like obviously a different pair would have different prices. But if you're on the same pair as me, it is centralized. So all brokers across the board have the same price. It's not like a spot gold market. Yes, we do. Thank you. Appreciate that. Sorry, didn't see you guys. Is it coming back down? Yeah, it's coming back down. It's a lovely 15. It's a lovely ball into the box. All right, but are we coming down, or is this the bottom wick for the 5 to flip bullish? Mine is also 30. That's what I just said. We're on different pairs. We are on different symbols. I'm on GC1 and you guys are an XAU USD. You guys are right here and I am right here. It looks very similar. Had a nibble, took profits. I don't know what it would reject off of here. Oh, okay. I see. I mean, you could be taking the same positions at the same time. They'll just be at different price points, and that will be the difference. There goes. That's that 15 flip, right? Yep. Why'd I switch to futures? Because I live in the US and I was left with no choice. They made me an offer I couldn't refuse. Hold on a second, chat. I knew exactly when to press sell before it dropped, but I didn't. I get that all the time because I'm very good at sniper entries, right? So a lot of times I'll see a sniper entry and it looks beautiful, but like one thing would be off or two things would be off, and I don't take it, and then it drives, and it would have been like the most perfect sniper entry, no drawdown, would have just drove, filled the, and I miss it all the time. I'm cool with it. But then you also see me catch them all the time, right? Like, you know why? Because I have the confidence knowing that it's going to show up so often that we're like literally a candle or two away from the next time it sets up, right? So it's an annoying feeling. I get it, because I get that all the time. Like this 15, we would have sniped the shit out of this, right? But not everything lines up exactly the way I want it, so my comfort level isn't there, right? So I'm okay with missing that opportunity, because if it goes against me while I wasn't completely okay with the position, that's the worst feeling, right? It's not the worst is when you're in drawdown not according to plan, right? If you're in a trade according to plan and you're in drawdown, then you have a plan for that drawdown. You know what you're gonna do. But if you're in a trade and you're all of a sudden in drawdown and it's not according to plan, then you're in a fucked up situation, right? Then you're like just gambling. That's arbitrary. When you have to start coming up with the plan during the trade, you fucked up. What's that, brother? Ew. Ew, brother. Ew. What's that, brother? Ew. They made a banger track out of that. There's that 30 closure, right? You want top wick? No top wick. Brother, ew. What's that, brother? Ew. Why on GC and not XAU USD? Is this the new what happened to Don question? Why you on GC1 is the new where's Don? Where's Don? Why is your chart different? Ew. What's that, brother? Ew. God, I hate whoever seeded that in my head. Gold melting, I know. I know gold is melting. See? And I'm sitting here thinking, damn, that 15 top wick, we should have been in as low, right? But not everything lines up. So you know how often I get that? I knew where to take a sell, but I didn't. Has to be your kids watching those clips. No, it was me, but when I said, what's that, brother? My kids went, ew. They know exactly what I was talking about. $30 pips from passing another 50K with tops. What a fucking goat. You're my hero. Why is the chart different? Answer them with some command. Okay. That's it. From now on, we're talking only in commands and sound bites. Seems like not all the fame, but not tables a turn. No, I don't look at things like that.
You know what the difference is between you and me? I make this look good.
So when are you planning to do the same lot in this futures? When I build up my account. I might add another 50K, but at this rate, I don't even see a need. I might just build it up and hold on to my money. Because I haven't really spent any money in the last year and a half, 2 years. I've really, chat, I don't know if you noticed this. I haven't gone to a single vacation in 2 years. 2.5 years. I've literally been here. I live where people vacation, that's right. But like I haven't taken like 2 weeks off and dipped somewhere, which I think I might do in the beginning. Yeah, I've been grinding. It's been 2 years of nonstop trading, and like I haven't really taken payouts. I haven't taken a payout in a year, right? So, and I haven't really spent any money. I haven't spent nothing. I haven't, no vacations, nothing. I hear that. But you have 20K worth of monthly expenses, roughly. Yeah, my monthly expenses are between 15 and 20K. You have any plans to buy RV, explore the country? No, but I have a plan to go to Europe first quarter of next year. So there might be a time where I'm gone for a week or two. For what? 15K? Can you explain this? Number one, I live in Miami next to the beach. Number two, I got 3 kids and 2 parents. UK meetup, going to Russia? No to both. If I make it to the UK, yeah, I'll post it. Who's next to me, who's around here, but I don't know if I'm gonna be in the UK. Hey, subscribers should all pitch in for your vacation. No. Oh, that ran straight down to fill the range. You didn't withdraw your funds from your Forex account? I did, but I can't withdraw the entire amount. They asked to withdraw it in phases. What? Yeah, they asked that I don't withdraw the entire amount at one time. What's my account right now? 52,000. Did they make you deposit your money in small amounts? And if you lost, would they only take your money? It's honestly, it's not that, like, a lot of brokers aren't gonna have $1 million liquid just lying around. It's standard for an offshore broker. Is it fair? No, but that's what happened to me with Hugo. It happened to me with LMFX. They've all asked. They didn't ask, they just sent this. We can do a certain amount a month. Tell me you're going to trade the account. No, the money is not tradable anymore. It's out of a trading account. XAU USD and GC1 is so different at the moment. No, I think you would have slammed or smacked a W if you were on GC or on XAU. It looks very similar. Look at this. Look at that. XAU USD, GC1. Very similar here. So the candles look similar. Price points are different, right? The price itself is different. Which broker you use now? EMP Futures. $13 difference. Yeah, in prices. Sometimes it's usually between like 15 and 30. But forget the dollar amount. Look at the chart. We don't care about the number here, right here. We don't care about this number. We care about the charts and what we look like. We're not basing entries off numbers. We're basing entries off technical analysis. Yeah, because a sell here would have been a sell on XAU USD. Would have been different prices, but it would have looked the same. I expect nothing less. Are you going to trade on the signal channel on Monday and Tuesday? On Monday and Tuesday. Yes. I just said it, that those are the only days it's possible that I might not be local. I might be away. Monday's a good day. Yeah, I was gonna say I don't mind replacing Mondays with money. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. No wonder my GC1 is different. It's delayed by 10 minutes. What the hell? Yeah, I pay for this. I pay for this data. If I don't pay for live charts, I would be delayed 10 minutes as well. So I pay TradingView $7 a month for data, even though I don't use it to trade. You definitely need data if you're trading off TradingView. Thinking of joining the signal channel? Don't think. Do it. Индюк тоже думал в суп попал. Nah, I mean. Danielle's like, nope, no clue what you mean. Я понимаю. W. Tyson. You going to Romania? No, but I'm going to be in Eastern Europe, most likely. Large bird used to think too before it ended up in the soup. It's the direct translation isn't large bird. It's Induk. Isn't that mean turkey? Just vacation or visiting family also. It's gonna be a mix of both. Well, it's not 100%. I want it to be a mix of both. $15 leg candle, 16 minutes to go on the 1 hour here. But look at our new 4 hour. Shit. Sorry. I was saying the 15 is closing as a leg candle, right? So you might see the market make a bottom wick, come up, create a top wick, and then re-break the lows here. But I think it's in our best interest to wait for this 1 hour close. Isn't it going to be weird having a different 4 hour? It's already been weird for the last week. But it's all right. We will overcome that as well. It's just the nuisance. It's not really stopping us from trading. It's just it's a little nuisance. All right, chat. Hold on, let's get a little flex in. Let's get a little. Yeah, there you go. Where's Nick? We need Nick to come in here and flex too. Kenny said, hell yeah. Cracked the neck and everything. Yeah, chat. See this? You get this t-shirt for donating blood. Yeah, you don't need to. You see that? Blood donor. Yeah, no need to. Don't gatekeep your blood, yo. I'm trying to get everybody high. I walk in there, I'm like, whoever gets this blood, tell them to call me with a thank you note or something. Why not keep using the chart? Because I'm going to use the charts that I trade. I think that's the best way to go about it. Oh yeah, I was going to go smoke. So
outside med det! Nå får du inside! Outside med det!
straight up. Oh shit, it's raining outside. Yeah, just donate some blood. Why gatekeep the THC? Share it. Stop playing. We outside. This is regular Friday. I don't know, chat. You guys have not been in Friday mode for a little while. I appreciate that. Ain't even feel like a Friday, yeah. You guys were winners since like the first 2 minutes of the stream. I'm the Oprah of pips. Chat. I know you don't smoke. I know this, man. But I'ma get you high today. Cause it's Friday. You ain't got no job. And you ain't got shit to do. I am at work, Wix. Well, then you're not part of the unemployment claims that we were talking about yesterday or day before yesterday. Yesterday. You're not part of the statistic. So what do you mean I ain't got no job? I'm at work right now. We gotta switch the tape. Flip the tape. Tape flipper. Pip and dipper. Panty ripper. Wow, what a great morning, right? When you don't have to worry about like any more positions for the week. Great morning. I would love some here, but a lot will depend on how this hourly will close. But man,
Wow, I feel good.
really, really good week. Continuing a great month. 2 straight 50+ days after 2 straight slow days. 50+ pip days. I'm about to sell my business and getting cold feet and going through those emotions today. Oh man, I had that and I doubted myself, and you know what? I still doubt till today if it was a good deal. Futures off to a good start. Yes. Yes, yes. 6 minutes here for the hourly, it's very interesting, right? They might flip bullish, but if it flips bullish, will it drive? I don't know. 6 minutes, right? If it flips bullish, you're most likely getting a lit candle. If it doesn't flip bullish and you get a bearish closure, you're bearish below the range, and you look at the 4 hour on futures, that's the closure here in 6 minutes. Yeah, you might not get a very massive top wick. Now, if we look historically at what price has done, right? If we're looking for a mirror here, right? When price has come down from this area and pulled back up, it retested the range, right? And if you say, all right, it came down here, pulled up, and then came down, well, then it came up again to this area and again retested the lows, right? So my and then it came up again and retested the lows, right? So my breakdown here would be based on this mirror and coming down and forming this support right here, and then forming a resistance at around the same areas that it's done so historically at. And then once it does that, I'll look for for a position to come down and retest the lows. Hold on a second, Jeff. We have over here. Okay. That's not bad. That's not bad. My kids made me breakfast. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. What you eating? I'm eating some of that Publix rotisserie chicken. It's a sandwich with a rotisserie chicken, pulled rotisserie chicken, mayo, tomato, and pickle. Kind of stopped on with the whole coffee thing. I haven't really drank coffee like crazy lately. Caught 60 points, US 30 buys. You're a savage. Damn, Daniel. I wake up in the morning, drink tea or coffee with donuts. What are you, a cop? You 5-0? Bro, that's some shit you're doing, don't tell nobody. 50. 90 seconds here. You need the next candle to open up bullish. Top wick first. Ray. I know a ray, except he's horizontal right here. See, horizontal ray. You're not a horizontal ray. Quit coffee January 2nd, 2012. I quit cigarettes September 17th, 2012. Okay, we got 15 seconds here for this 1 hour and the futures 4 hour to close. This line right here is where I would like to see a top wick. The thing is, we might not get one because the market's coming down to close out the hourly, right? So you might get a bottom wick first, and if that's the case, I'll have to hold. I'll have to. Yeah, you see the momentum to finish out the candle was bearish, so first thing we did was create this bottom wick, and this is a shoulder area you see over here. So we got to see this smash through. To see this smash through, you probably need a top wick. But you can't take that top, well, let's see. We can take that top wick entry based off the 2 hour and the 4 hour here, right? But then the entry would have to be a bit higher. 32 flat. So I think maybe that's what we'll do here. Like, so this is a possible area it could come down from, but I'm not going to take the position off of here. Well, why not? Well, why not, Wix? Yeah, this might be the level, but I won't be in it off of there. Yeah, these areas are better. Yeah, but if this is futures, it might not even do that. So let's do the, if it comes down here from this area, I'll call it a stream. If we get it all the way up here, we'll take it. Looks like we might get it. The 31.95. A bit higher. All right, there it is. Chat, let's take a sell right here. Just took a position. And remember, we're taking entries as the market is coming up, so we might see some drawdown as it's driving against us. Next entry I would look for would be 33.7 here. There's some volume. This is an 10 a.m. volume. NYC brought us down, so I'd expect the top wick to be formed here. Yeah. 32.1. There we go. I'm gonna take a sell right here. Just took another sell as we created this top wick here. Makes complete sense on the higher time frame. We've created a steep bottom wick. We've tapped higher time frame resistances. And we have an hourly resistance up here at 33.5. Almost got to 33.5. Interesting. Yeah, that might be a 5 flip to come up here. First thing we did was create a bottom wick. We will see. Uh-oh. I hear my kids getting it. Should have been listening. Should have listened. Should have listened. Again, closing full right there, 20 pips. Congrats, everybody. W! 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 Fucking W! $20 flat. 20 on the fucking dot. Close both positions in profits over here. The total combined between the positions is 20 points. And let it come down. Let it drive now. I don't give a fuck. Fucking W. And it probably will come down. It'll probably fill most of this wick too, if you guys want to hold it. But we're fucking winners again today. We are winners again. You can hold it if you want to. You don't have to. Sorry, I don't trade with stops, so people think, oh, your RR is crazy. There's no RR. I don't have any stops, and if they were, they would be at break even right now. That was 20 on the dot. Win number 367. Congratulations, everybody. This is what we wait for. Absolute fucking W. Word. call me Worldwide Wix. WWW. Worldwide Wix just served you pips. Mark that off. That's win number 367 for us. Lovely way to close out the session, close out the week. Oh, it's coming to a full flip right here. Yeah, you guys should be well in profits and well past 5 minutes here. Yeah, Happy New Year. My girl's saying Happy New Year. She walked in here as we took the dub. She's like, tell them Happy New Year, and that's their presents. Yeah, this is what you should be looking like right now. Win number 367. You know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? I asked you guys, remember yesterday when everybody dipped and we took a W? I told you guys to drop your profits and tag me. Nobody did. Not a single person. One person did. I'm sorry. One person did. I was really trying to tag. I was really trying to post it to show people that, hey, you guys all dipped and we were still in there. But that's it. I think that's our session. We waited for the 10 a.m. candle. We already had 50 pips in the bag. But if our trade shows up, we're gonna take it, right? That's what keeps our sample size results true, right? As long as we take every position that's ours, we're gonna get the percentages that we had in our sample sizing, our forward testing. Right? I didn't need to take that 15 wick. Remember the 15 up here that drove there? I just wait for the ones that I'm confident in. You don't read the DMs in IG? I do. It takes me a little while, but I do. Okay, 400 viewers, tell us which post. No, it's not going to be today. I'm not going to do the giveaway today. I want to do it today, but I didn't have you guys comment on a post the whole week. It was a crazy week for me. Like, I can't discuss everything that went on, but it was a really busy week. You're using AMP. What platform are you using them on? MT5. There we go. There's a flip. It's coming down, right? So if you're holding like Kenny, you're in massive profits here. You're doing really well for yourself today. I've sent quite a lot of messages via DMs, but you haven't responded, man. They might be hidden from me. I'll check my hidden messages. What's your name on Insta? Monday's last day, so better on Monday as a New Year's gift. I think that would be a really good idea. I'm gonna try to make it. I think we're gonna do a Sunday one for the Signal channel, and we're gonna do a Monday one for the giveaway. And I think today or tomorrow I'll post something where you need to comment on. Wow, look at this. This is coming down here. Beautiful. But you need to be online for giveaway. No, it's not going to be based on the YouTube comments. It's going to be based on my Instagram comments. So you're going to have to go to my Instagram account, follow, and then comment on a post that I tell you to comment on. Can it refill the entire previous candle? If you have runners here, I'm not looking for anything past this. Of course it can. It can plummet down here. Look, honestly, if you have a really good entry at the tip of the wick, which is pretty much what we have here, I would have everything closed except a small portion of this, because this has a chance to really run today. Well, you could be at 2600 before the end of the day, right? You could be over here. 300 more pips, not a problem on a day like today. I just, like, if we look historically where the market drives from, right? So if we're looking for the mirror in the market, right? How do we come up to here? From where? From here, right? So that's where we're headed. But we came we came up from here to this area. And if the market's going to mirror that area, it's most likely going to do a little pull up to here, find its range here, and then do that. That's a possibility, right? So that's why I would close out as I start reaching supports. If you want, leave something very small for yourself. For the only time the runner is worth it is if it pays you more than the original position, right? So if you leave an extra small runner, but it's going to have to come all the way down here to pay you more than your original position. And the only time you do that is when you really have that sniper entry, that top of the wick, right? Because chances of you coming up, hitting break even are slim. And at that point, if it now re-breaks highs, right, where you are, basically where that top entry is, the best entry that we have is, right? If you're, see, we have pretty much the top of the wick. If you re-break that high, you're making a steeper top wick, so you're probably coming up to 38, 45 areas, right? There's no point of holding that, right? If you were up in a trade at some point, 20 pips or more, and you go into drawdown, you're an asshole. You're definitely an asshole. So don't be an asshole, right? Secure the bacon, take risk off the table, and move on. Next breakdown. Even 10 pips? No, it depends on the range, but you know the way I trade, if we see 20 pips here and we go into break even, break even's fine. If we go into negative, there's something wrong. So you closed here right now respecting on the 5, I believe, on the 15, sorry, the 15, yeah, look at that. You respected the most recent area. So decision time. Will it now flip and break the lows to continue drive down, or are you going to get a heavy pullback? This is decision making levels right here. Right? So you don't trade where the market has to decide what to do. You don't place trades when the market's deciding. Let the market decide. Let it show you its hand. It's either going to have a heavy push up from here or a heavy push down. And if it has a heavy push down, wait for the push and get in after, right? Let it tell you, let it show the hand that it's playing. It's a lot easier, right, to play poker versus somebody that showed you their hand, right? It's a lot easier for you to make a decision whether to call them or check it down, or, you know, or bet into them. Same thing here, right? You have no idea, but if it shows you its hand, you're gonna have a much easier time making the winning decision. Oh, chat. No. See you guys dipping. No. Before you dip, we have something that we need to do. All right? Now, spam some motherfucking dubs. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. See, and as we said a bit earlier, decision-making time. This is where the market's going to make the decision. Up or down, it's going to decide it here. It filled the range. Well, on the smaller time frame, right? To the smaller time frame support. That's our last closure was the 15, and it came down to the 15 support. I still think the lows can be broken here, but for that to happen, we're probably going to have to create a steeper top wick if we held here, right? If we close bullish here at this area. All right, gang. I think that's our session here. Let's call it a session. 74 pips here for the New York stream, New York session live stream. Great ending to a great year. We might be here on Monday or Tuesday. I'm not 100% sure. If you're part of the Signal channel, make sure you show up on Sunday. We'll do a giveaway on Sunday, and it'll be our last private session of the year. Quick question? Yeah, go ahead. So yeah, if you're part of the Signal channel, make sure you show up on Sunday for the giveaway, and maybe we'll catch our last 70 pips of the year. If you're not part of the Signal channel, you have time to join. This is your chance to join on Sunday evening. We're gonna trade on Sunday. Sunday evening, and the Signal channel gets a private live stream, and we trade in there, right? We've been getting pretty good trades on Sundays. Why a steeper top wick? Well, let's think logically. If we close bullish here, right? You're holding support, and if coming up here, all we were able to do is bottom out here. If you want to break this low now after holding support, you probably need to grab more orders than this, because grabbing orders from here only got us to here. So you probably need to grab more orders up here in order to get you further down here. That's the logic. How do I join the Zoom? You got to join the Signal channel. Yep. Makes sense? Yep. Just logical thinking, right? Will it do that? The market doesn't owe you anything. It doesn't have to do anything. But logically speaking, if you want to get further, you probably need more orders. So if we're going to trade looking left, the mirrors reaction, but price doesn't come back to the BE level before hitting a higher time frame TP. Would you hold or close out at that mirror minor reaction? I'd probably close out. I'm not exactly sure what you're asking, but if you're asking what I think you're asking, I'd probably close out and wait, and then right where the market gives me a chance, and then I'll wait for a position where I'd be a little more sure, more confident. No giveaway. No, I'm gonna post today. Maybe we'll do. I think I really want to be here on Monday. We'll do it on Monday for everybody, so everybody has a chance to enter the giveaway over the weekend. And we're gonna do a giveaway on Sunday regardless, right? For the Signal channel, we're gonna do a giveaway anyway. But for everyone else, I think Monday. I was gonna do 2 today, but I didn't have a chance to post anything throughout the week where I wanted you guys to comment on. Right? So it might be on Monday. Look out, go follow my IG, because I'll post on there and I'll let you guys know, hey, if we're going to be streaming Monday, Tuesday. But I really want to be here. I really want to close out the year with you guys on stream together. I think Monday or Tuesday will give us a chance to do that. Giveaway? Yeah, I'm going to give away 2 25K accounts, but it won't be today. It'll be on Monday. Close out at a reaction level. If it reacts, doesn't come back to be. Yeah. I'm fine. If it's a small loss, I'm fine with taking that, as long as, like, I would have to really see what the probability of us coming down versus coming up is. It just depends how it prints. Right? Wow, a lot of people dipped already. 260 on here. Yeah, chat. Let's call it a session. It was a really good session.
Wow, I feel good.
Really good session. A lot of value. We got our pineapples on our trades. Everything worked out. We got over 70 pips today. Everybody ate, right? You got to hold the trades for longer than 5 minutes if you were unfunded. So really good day all around. All right, I appreciate you guys as well. Thank you for showing up, and thank yourself for showing up, right? I can't help you. You gotta help yourself. I do my part, but you gotta do your part and show up, right? And then that helps all of us, right? I get better teaching, right? Just by doing this every day. I get better at this every day also. So I'll keep showing up as long as you guys keep showing up, right? But no one's gonna help you. The key is help yourself. You gotta help yourself. So when you show up here, ask relevant questions, talk about relevant things, right? Forget the Japanese. That's for me to do. But you need to figure out what's relevant and discuss that and learn that. All right. Cool beans. All right, Kenny. I see Dr. Holmes on cam. Didn't see Nick Waters today. I think he's overpipped. I think Nicholas Waters overpipped this week, and he's taking a day off. Spread the links to this channel. Yeah, go ahead, go share this channel. Go, share the clips, share your profits, tag me in them. Let's go. Let's grow this channel. I can't do it by myself. I need your help, guys. I need your help growing the channel. Can't do it on my own. All right. Oh, and our outro song. It's like they're trying to kick us off. It's like they're trying to walk me off stage already. You know, at the Oscars when they accept the award, when the music starts playing, that means you got to get off. This is our outro. We got to start hopping off here now. All right. Yeah. They want me out of here. Zoom gang, see you in the clubhouse. Signal channel, I'll see you guys on Sunday. If you're not part of the Signal, make sure you join up before Sunday, and we'll run a live stream 8 p.m. Eastern on Sunday. And I'll try to follow my IG. I'll post a reel or a post that you need to comment on, and you'll be entered for a giveaway, and we'll do it on Monday. I'll try my best to be here on Monday to do the giveaway and really close out the year. Monday or Tuesday. We shall see. All right, mods, thank you so much for helping me run this stream day in, day out. Once again, thank you for a lovely year. I'm sure I'll get to thank you again. And chat, love and wisdom to you all. Appreciate you guys showing up. Congrats to everybody that caught the dubs with us today. As for me, my time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Enjoy your day, everybody. Don't overtrade. I'll see you guys next week. See you on Monday. Go follow the IG and make sure you're part of the giveaway for Monday. Later.